Do you have to get off the train?
Do you have this split ticket, but you don't have to get off the train? It's exactly the same train journey as you would have taken anyway.
Well, show me some savings.
First one here, Bridgewater in Somerset to Cheltenham Spa in Gloucestershire. Now, by splitting your journey in Bristol Temple Meads, you can save £40 on the original price of £60. Well, there is one catch at the moment, which is that TrainPal doesn't work with e-ticket. You do have to turn up in person at the station with enough time to pick up those bundle of tickets at the start of your journey.
更多新闻资讯，请下载新京报客户端。